get the glow. What else I want? I just try to get some thumbnails, you guys. Hey you guys, I'm back at it again with another video. This time I'm going to do a video about a ponytail that I bought at my local beauty supply store. It's from Organique Mastermix Pony Pro Easy Wraparound Ponytail. This is what the package looks like. I got it in the natural YAKY. And I believe it cost like $13, $14. Wasn't too expensive. And you literally just wrap it around. And this is how it looks. It's cute, bitch. But anyways, all my returning subscribers, thank you for still sticking around. Thank you for still holding me down. All my new subscribers, what's up? Thank you for subscribing. I really do truly appreciate it. Also, anyone watching for the first time, you know what to do. Click that notification bell right there. I'm gonna give you a second. Click, click, boom, boom. Also, when you get a chance, also subscribe to me and my best friend's podcast, The PUSSSY Chronicles. Trust me, you will not regret it. You will be cracking up laughing. You can listen to it while you drive. You can listen to it while you're at work. You can listen to it while you're cleaning up the house. I mean, you might as well, right? But anyway, I don't want to do a lot of talking like how some of these videos do. So I'm just going to get to this tutorial. So stay tuned. So I'm just pressing the hair out a bit. I'm not going to make it silky straight because the texture of the ponytail is like a YAKY coarse. Once I finish doing that, I'm going to put my hair up into a ponytail. Excuse my voice, I'm just waking up, but this is optional. I'm gonna take some hairs from the side. I seen it on, what's that, Growing Up Hip Hop, Peppa's daughter. She had her hair in a high ponytail with like her edges hanging, and I thought it was so cute. So I'm like, I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I'll just put the hair back, that's all. And I also put it in a braid. Now I'm gonna use this I'm going to use this Got To Be spray, and I'm going to spray it all around my hair, and I'm going to brush it up. Basically, I'm kind of molding it. Instead of using like Equal Gel and all that, because you know that's water-based, so if I use that, my hair is going to wave back up, and that's what I don't want it to do. So I'm going to use that spray to hold it, and I'm going to use the blow dryer to make it hold, make it look silky, and bring everything together. Like y'all already know, sis had to do the baby hairs. So now I'm about to show you guys this hair. Basically it's a wraparound. That ending part is for it to wrap it around to cover the tracks. There's a comb by the tag, and I'm gonna put the comb behind my bun, but like in my hair, if that makes sense. Then I'm just gonna keep wrapping it around till I get to that end part, which I'm doing now. I'm brushing it out, making it smooth. I'm going to spray some Got To Be spray to make it look more nice and fresh and crisp and really precise, I guess the word, I don't know. And I'm going to put bobby pins in it to hold it. Yes, y'all, she ready. But wait, though, check out the slow-mo. Check out the slow-mo. But I forgot to tell you guys, I sprayed some more Got To Be glue all around my hair when I was done. Also, you can use any hair glosser, hair mist to spray it around your hair too, so your hair can look nice and shiny, because you know the Got To Be glue dries your hair out a bit. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of the ponytail. I did a little baby hairs and whatnot. There's a lot of hairs all in my face. I left some hair out on the side trying to be extra fancy smancy, but you don't gotta do that. That's optional. So again, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Follow me on Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. Also, subscribe to my best friend's podcast, the Pussy Chronicles. Again, thank you guys for watching, and bye.